The gap between current programs that teach children to recycle and the adoption of recycling behavior is unfortunately wide. Current programs provide ideas for potential recycling projects and current information on recycling, but the intended children for such programs are either those who already know to recycle or those who know nothing about recycling. There's a scarcity in programs for the type of child who knows what recycling is but wants to learn more about the basics. The Galactic Voyage is a science fiction interactive narrative designed to allow children between ages 8 to 11 to participate in reducing, reusing, and recycling materials. To accomplish this goal, we have gamified the recycling process in an educational but unobtrusive manner. Through a multi-leveled interactive story, the Galactic Voyage slowly introduces themes such as the process of recycling, materials that are recyclable, and the positive impact it can have on the environment. Furthermore, the system was designed in a way that children are not confined to one particular environment to develop their understanding of recycling themes. Our ideal prototype for a final design is a mobile application where children can take around their iOS, Android, or Windows device and be able to use this on the go whenever they encounter a recyclable material. For our mid-fidelity prototype, however, we utilized YouTube along with a QR code scanning app. YouTube's annotation feature, along with the touchscreen laptop, allowed us to create mock-up buttons that are reminiscent of what currently exists on a full-fledged mobile application. The child scans in a recyclable item and the app takes him to the appropriate YouTube video, accumulating points on the child's account and progressing him through the narrative. Imagine Tommy here, who has the Galactic Voyage installed on his new iPod Touch that he got for Christmas. Say he goes over to a friend's house. When he's done playing outside with his friend, he gets thirsty and grabs a bottle of water. After finishing it, he considers throwing it in the trash, but remembers Ethan, the protagonist, previously using a bottle he scanned in to build a laser cutter. Tommy then looks for a recycling bin at his friend's house and recycles the bottle, knowing that recyclable items can be used for different purposes. Or we can use Sam over here, who has just installed the Galactic Voyage on his device. As he begins the first level, he sees Orson the Orca trapped underneath a pile of recyclable materials. Dryad, the hologram character, tells him that he needs to scan in 3 recyclable items to free Orson from the rubble. Once Sam scans in enough items, Orson is freed from the rubble, making Sam feel accomplished for helping out. On top of that, he learns what happens if trash is simply discarded around the environment. With the Galactic Voyage, we hope to subtly teach recycling themes to children who are young enough to absorb these important themes and maintain them throughout their lives, leading to a more environmentally aware society. Oh dear.